now who's ready to learn personal financial success. All right. 4 challenges keep you from hitting your 2 goals. What are your 2 goals? Current lifestyle, meet your current lifestyle paid for by your what? Labor. And have some future lifestyle paid for by your what? Investment. There are 4 reasons you're not making it. 1 is called a silent income killer. A is inflation. Inflation eats into your money every day. The cost of living is going what? Up. Your dollar value is going what? Down. Here's why. It's America. It's capitalism. So in America, business owners control how much things what? Cost. So if Chuck owns a business or a daycare or a nail salon or a barbershop or a lawn care service, he can go up on his fees whenever he what? Now you got a job with limited income. Can you go up on your pay whenever you want to? That's a conflict. If the daycare owners can go up on their fee and you got a baby in daycare, and they go, you know what, this week, like, you know what, this week, and they always let you know early, as of next month, we'll be, raising the fees. Let's give you a little warning. Chuck going up on his lawn care business, he need an extra $5 because gas done what? Went up. Angela going up on her insurance premiums, but your job can't go up, but your 3 bills just went what? That's inflation. Your dollar's down. You know where you really feel it? At the pumps. Because you see that top number, that's your money, and that bottom number is your gallons. Which one's spending faster? Top. That top one like $1, $2, $3, $4, $5. That bottom one like click. How many gallons is that? 1 gallon. The top number at 4. That's $4. Am I lying? That top number spending. The pump is where you see inflation actually happening. Everywhere else is kind of invisible. That's why the pump feel bad. Who know the pump feel bad? Sometimes I just stop it because I want to stop. I'm like, you will not get to 60. You will not get to 60. I'm sorry. I just stop it at 58.19 just so I won't see $60. So my point is, inflation means you have to put your money in things that outpace the cost of living. The only way to outpace inflation is actually 2 ways, more than 2, but here are 2 big ones. 1, own a business. That way when business owners go up, your income and revenue can go what? Up. So you match it. 2 is real estate. If you bought a house for $180,000 and you sell it for $220,000, what increased the profits that you made off that house? Inflation. See, you like inflation when you're on the right side, don't you? See, this is what I'm about to show you this is quick, this is easy. As I wrap this up. None of these are bad. It's just where you are. If you in real estate and your house is inflating, you like inflate. If you got a job and gas is inflating, you like deflate. So capitalism is not bad if you are a capitalist. Capitalism is bad if you are a socialist. You think the government care, the bank care, your boss care, you thinking like a socialist where everybody owe you something. A capitalist says, no, this up to me, and y'all ain't gonna beat me up no more.